Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix fatal error failed to initialize the Steamworks SDK in CS2. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to find CS2, right click on it, go to properties, then go to install files and verify integrity of the game files. And after that, look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then press browse, then press on game, bin, Win64, look for CS2.exe. If you don't see exe, press view, press show, and then select file name extensions, right click on it, go to show more options, properties, compatibility, and make sure to enable disable full screen optimizations and run this program as admin. Apply, okay. And then the last step what you need to do here is to write run on search or press Windows and I key. And then here you need to write %temp%. After that, press OK. And then select all the files here and delete it. And then run the game. Some files will not be deleted, so don't worry about it. And don't worry about these files because this is just a cache files. It won't affect your game or your client. And after that, your error should be fixed. So if I help you out, please press like.